Hey guys, we're gonna go fishing out in the river. We're gonna catch some chubs on some worms, and then we'll use the chubs as bait for channel cats. And we're also gonna try to go for some smallmouth, largemouth, anything that bites our lures. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna try to catch some big ones. We'll see you out there. Thank you. Oh, they're biting. Really? Yeah, I got her in there and someone just hammered it. I don't know how I missed it. Took my worm though. That had to have been a chub or a smallie.
We'll move up to the rapids. Oh, shit. No. We need your chub.
It's fine, I can catch one.
Okay.
I kind of want to anyways. Anything you can do, I can do better. I still have a video. Let me try over here. Shove, I think. Shove. Yeah, this thing's good.
Catch like 4 chubs then, and then we'll catch cats.
Pliers.
Huh?
Pliers.
Are you recording catching chubs?
Yeah.
I don't mind catching chubs.
I don't either. This guy is like a 4-incher. I like catching chubs.
Now you make me want to put weights on yours.
Oh, he splattered butter in my eye.
Oh, chub.
Yeah.
Lots of bait. He swallowed her.
Holy.
Oh, feel those. Feel them, they're like bumpy.
What are those?
I don't know.
That's crazy.
There's more than one. Keep casting in there. That's got to be a little smallie. It is. A little smallie. I got him too. Little smallie. First one of the day. So we got catfish, chubs, largemouth, smallmouth. We like to find one about bigger than him though.
Except I got a knot.
Reel it in for now. You good one?
Come on. No, he's small. See this? What in the world? He's decent. But I got a knot.
We'll fix that.
Okay, you're gonna have to teach hand holding real quick. Gosh. Frick you. Okay.
So I grab him like right underneath here like this.
Yeah, that's how I thought.
And then
like that? Holy.
if I wasn't using my left hand, it'd be easier. All right.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah. That's it. Let him go. Good job.
Yeah.
When they're there, they bite fast.
That one, well, I was trying to fix my knot and I knew it was on. So I just hooked set it and then I tried to.
When you reel it in, I got something I want to do.
Wait, no, he didn't. He's on. He's on. He's on.
Oh yeah. See him?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
He's a little bigger than the last one.
Yeah. I mean, they're biting.
Like, make sure you point it towards him, and when he pulls it tight, get him.
Yep.
Good job. You see what I'm saying, though?
It's tiny.
It's all right.
This is nice.
Little cat. That's a little cat. Still biting.
Boat ramped him. Oh. Yeah. He was getting bite too. Just waiting. You saw it? See it? I think we can keep it on. It doesn't really mess with it.
Okay.
Definitely a lot of fish in there. None of them are big enough.
I wonder how hard it is to walk through that muddy spot. If we think it'll be a bitch to walk from here to there, it'd be better to walk up and around.
I'm just gonna go from here to there.
Okay. If you sink a bunch, then I won't try it. I don't have quick feet anymore, Drake. What? Okay. Right there, though. You liar.
No, I didn't. Oh, I just did it myself.
Oh, Drake, what'd you do to me? I think you did this on purpose. I'm going up to my knees. I mean, that was fun. Let's try her.
I don't have bait.
Got one. Yeah. Frick! Oh wait, no, I got him. It's a small one.
Small one?
Finally.
Finally. What was that? Huh? Sounded like a rock falling or something. I told her there had to be a fish in here. What's that, like a 1-pounder? Yeah, hurry up and get your slack in. You had him on there. Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's a good one. Need help?
Where's my thing, guys?
He's a good one.
Oh my god. I did. You like that. Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Let's go.
I'm just recording.
Maybe it was on yours.
I'm on one.
Big?
Good one. Good one.
I might have been on one. I don't know.
You may have been into your line.
Yeah, that's what I think. Because
He's a decent one. Oh yeah, look at him.
I can't see him.
He's a good one.
How good?
Pretty good. 5 pounder,
Oh.
maybe? 4 pounder? You want to grab him when it comes
Yeah.
up? I can see his tail.
Yeah, he's running. Oh.
Just wait. I'll grab the line.
He's fighting.
He is fine.
Come on, buddy. Yeah. Gosh, dang.
Right behind this thing. He's probably what? 3 or 4?
Yeah. It's a decent one.
He is a decent one.
Choked it. Come on. These things actually make me mad. Got him. Yeah. Freaking doing all that, and I caught him. Frick him. Dad, I need you. He swallowed it.